Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you how to find tire pressure. To check tire pressure in your car, take a look at the instrument cluster. Press back button and go to trip info. Now, using two lines button, scroll down. Tire pressure is located right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.